The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. With the advent of digital platforms, the traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only path to financial stability. One of the most intriguing trends is the rise of faceless creators. These creators are redefining the boundaries of content creation. These individuals are building successful careers on platforms like YouTube without ever showing their faces or revealing their voices. They rely on engaging visuals, compelling storytelling, and innovative editing techniques to captivate their audience. This is the no face and voice niche, and it's changing the game for aspiring content creators. By focusing on the quality of their content rather than their personal image, these creators are proving that anyone can succeed online. In this digital age, you don't need to be a celebrity to earn a significant income online. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the potential for success is immense. The no face and voice niche empowers anyone with creativity and dedication to build a profitable audience. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or a tech enthusiast, there's a place for you in this growing community. It's a testament to the power of content itself. High-quality, engaging content can attract viewers and generate revenue, regardless of who is behind the camera. This approach is particularly appealing to those who value their privacy. In a world where personal information is often shared freely, maintaining anonymity can be a significant advantage. It's also a great option for individuals who might not feel comfortable being the face of their brand. This allows them to focus on their strengths and passions without the pressure of being in the spotlight. This essay will delve into the world of no face and voice YouTube channels. We'll uncover the strategies that make these channels successful and how you can apply them to your own content. We'll explore why it works, showcase inspiring success stories, and provide you with actionable strategies to monetize your own channel. From understanding your audience to optimizing your content for search engines, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unlock the secrets of earning $10,000 or more without ever showing your face or using your voice. The world of faceless content creation is full of opportunities, and with the right approach, you can tap into this lucrative niche. The no face and voice niche might seem counterintuitive at first. After all, YouTube is a platform built on personality-driven content. However, the absence of a face or voice allows viewers to focus solely on the content itself. This direct focus enhances the message's impact and creates a unique viewing experience. This niche thrives on several factors. Firstly, it removes the creator as the central focus. This shift allows viewers to immerse themselves fully in the content. Whether it's a captivating travel video, a soothing cooking tutorial, or a helpful explainer video, the content takes center stage. This immersive experience fosters a deeper connection between the viewer and the information presented. Secondly, the anonymity offered by this niche is a major draw for both creators and viewers. Creators can maintain their privacy while building a public platform. Viewers, on the other hand, appreciate the straightforward delivery of information without distractions. This niche also opens up opportunities for creators who may be camera shy or prefer to stay behind the scenes. It allows them to share their knowledge, skills, and creativity without the pressure of being on camera. Additionally, the no face and voice approach can be more inclusive, reaching a wider audience who might prefer content without a specific personality attached. This method can also be more versatile, allowing for a variety of content types from tutorials and reviews to storytelling and educational videos. In essence, the no face and voice niche offers a unique and effective way to engage with audiences, focusing on the content and message rather than the creator. It's a refreshing approach that continues to grow in popularity, proving that sometimes less is more. Numerous YouTubers have achieved remarkable success in the no face and voice niche. These individuals demonstrate that you don't need to show your face or use your voice to captivate an audience and generate significant income. One such example is the channel Brightside. This channel offers a diverse range of content, from educational explainers to intriguing life hacks. Brightside has amassed millions of subscribers by delivering high-quality content in an engaging format. Another successful channel is Tasty, known for its visually appealing cooking videos. These videos utilize creative editing, close-up shots, and text overlays to guide viewers through each recipe. The success of Tasty proves that captivating visuals can be just as engaging as a charismatic host. Section 4. Monetization Unveiled, Turning Views into Dollars. The no face and voice niche offers multiple monetization avenues. Creators can leverage their content to generate revenue through various methods. One popular approach is sponsored videos. Brands are increasingly partnering with faceless creators to promote their products or services. This strategy allows creators to earn income by seamlessly integrating brand messaging into their content. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Creators can partner with brands and include affiliate links in their video descriptions. When viewers click on these links and make a purchase, the creator earns a commission. This method is particularly effective for channels that focus on product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. Section 5. YouTube Partner Program, your gateway to earnings. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is a significant milestone for any creator looking to monetize their channel. It marks the beginning of a new journey where your passion for creating content can turn into a sustainable source of income. This program unlocks a suite of features designed to help creators earn revenue from their content. From ad revenue to channel memberships, the opportunities are vast and varied. One of the primary benefits of the YouTube Partner Program is ad revenue. This is a straightforward way to start earning money by allowing ads to be displayed on your videos. Creators can earn money from ads displayed on their videos. These ads can be in various formats, such as skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and even bumper ads. These ads can appear before, during, or after a video, and the creator earns a share of the revenue generated from these ads. The more views and engagement your videos get, the higher your potential earnings. The YouTube Partner Program also enables creators to offer channel memberships. This is a fantastic way to build a community of loyal supporters who are willing to contribute financially to your channel. This feature allows viewers to support their favorite creators directly through monthly recurring payments. It's a win-win situation where creators get a steady income and members get exclusive content and perks. In exchange for their support, members receive exclusive perks such as badges, emojis, and access to members-only content. These perks not only enhance the viewing experience but also foster a sense of belonging and community among your audience. Section 6. Beyond the basics, diversifying your income streams. While the YouTube Partner Program provides a solid foundation for monetization, creators can explore additional avenues to diversify their income streams. One such option is creating and selling online courses. If you've established yourself as an authority in your niche, you can package your knowledge into comprehensive courses. These courses can be hosted on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, providing an additional revenue stream. Another approach is to leverage your content for crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow viewers to support your channel directly through monthly pledges. This method fosters a closer relationship between creators and their most loyal fans while providing a more stable income stream. Creators can also explore opportunities to license their content. Section 7. Embrace the journey, consistency, and community building. Success in the no face and voice niche, like any online endeavor, requires dedication, consistency, and a deep understanding of your audience. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal following. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it as closely as possible. This consistency keeps your viewers engaged and eager for your next video. Equally important is fostering a strong sense of community. Engage with your viewers in the comments section, respond to messages, and consider hosting live Quanda sessions or polls. Building a thriving community around your content will not only enhance viewer loyalty, but also provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences.